1953 Ford F100 pickup here, unique specialty in classics. Shortbox Stepside. Flathead V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with a manual transmission, 3-speed on the column. Now, as you can see, this one has its bumps and bruises here and there. It's one of those trucks, drive it the way you see it. Maybe you want to take it to the next level. Either way, we're going to leave that up to the next owner. Take a look at the grill, bumper. Kind of a turquoise or mint green, flat finish. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us. 507-386-1726. Do have a crack in the windshield, if you can see that. Make sure you're aware of that. Some wear from the wipers on there. Aluminum wheels, radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood, and Jason will take this one out, show you how it drives out. Some things that have recently been done to this that are newer on this truck. It does have a newer water pump, fuel sender, clutch and throw out bearing, aluminum radiator was installed, and also a starter and solenoid. And there is some miscellaneous receipts that will go along with this. It does have true dual exhaust, glass packs on it. There'll be 4 steel wheels and 4 extra tires that are going to go with it. And this appears to be the original radiator that would have been replaced with that aluminum one. Once again, all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these old Ford trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. A couple notes from the technician on this one. It is a 6-volt system still. Speedometer and the fuel gauge were in op. It does have a new fuel sender, but the fuel gauge is in op. Kingpins were a little loose. There's some play in them up front, as well as some play in the gearbox. All right, door panels. Of course, bench seat. Showing some wear. Visor's intact. Tech also noted it's a little cold-blooded. Let's get her fired up. And we'll listen to it a little bit here. So we're going to give it a little pump. Fired right up. But like I said, Tech did note it was a little cold-blooded. Temp gauge moved. Oil pressure came up. Battery, looks like the other gauges work. Let's see if we can, like I said, get it warmed up, get it to idle. Vacuum operated wipers yet, those came up a little bit when I started it. Might have been left on. Take a look at the rest of the dash. See if we can get it warmed up enough that it'll idle here. Of course, push button start over on the left side, so turn the key on, push the button on the left. All right, seems to have idled out here. There you can hear that flathead. Very distinctive exhaust note on these flatheads, no doubt about that. Dual exhaust with glass packs. All right. It's going to take both hands to get this hood open. Let me pause this a second. Get that hood open, check out the engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, hood open. Look at the underside and engine bay. The aforementioned aluminum radiator. And that flatty V8. Single carb. Running pretty smooth. 1953 Ford F100. Yes, it's got a few bumps and bruises along the way, but can be driven the way it is, or maybe taken to the next level. And I did take a bunch of close-up pics too, so you'll be able to see in the still pics what I'm talking about. Those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Any questions on this one, call 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1953 Ford F100. This truck has a couple project-related items. One being that jingling sound that you're hearing, I suspect might be the speedometer. Take a look at the retail report, because we do supply all the things that we found that could be addressed or that have been addressed in our pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. This is a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. It's a good running truck, but for that noise, hopefully you can hear me. The oil pressure is a quarter of the way up the gauge. Battery's charging over halfway where it should be. The temp is only a quarter of the way, that's good. The fuel gauge is reading completely full, that is likely not accurate. A little bit of slack in the steering. Steering wheel emblazoned with 50th anniversary, 1903 to 1953. But for that noise, the truck feels good on the road. It's not going to be a high-speed driver. Probably happiest at 55 miles per hour. Wipers are vacuum. And they haven't returned. The choke works. There's a bench seat in this truck. The brakes are also working well. Truck corners fairly flat. It corners as you'd expect, accelerates as you'd expect. Be sure to check out all the pictures of this truck. See if it looks like what you're looking for to make it your own at uniqueclassiccars.com.